Well, guys, today we close out the comparison between Tifway 419 and Arden 15. Now, if any of you guys are new to the channel, first of all, welcome. But if you've not been following the content, I've been filming a 10-week series comparing the dormancy rates between Tifway 419 and Arden 15, which are both Bermuda grass types. Yes, I know it's super geeky lawn stuff, but it had to happen, okay? So let me give you guys a quick look at the front lawn. As you can tell, compared to last week, it's really beginning to fall off. It's pretty much turning dormant now, whereas like last week, this was still pretty much had a lot of green going on with it. This week, it's much more dormant. Now, the theory behind Arden 15 is that it's supposed to provide a deeper green. It's supposed to also go dormant later in the fall and come out of dormancy earlier in the spring. So, you know, whereas Tifway 419 is probably the most common Bermuda type used in the Southeast United States, at least on residential lawns and sports fields and places like that, Arden 15 is very much a hybrid that, you know, you'd have to put down yourself if you're really serious about, you know, changing and getting some of the benefits of a hybrid Bermuda. So let's see how it did. Compared to last week, you can see the lawn has fallen off quite a bit. You can see there's still some areas of the lawn where the Arden 15 is still green, whereas the Tifway has largely fallen off. It's largely gone away. Even the tree spot that I normally show you guys, you see the circle there that's in the center? Even that at this point is beginning to lose its color. But still, those green areas are still the Arden 15. So in many ways, what I started noticing is starting about week 6 in this series, that is when the differences became a lot more apparent between Arden and the Tifway. The big question now is it worth it? Is it something that you should do? In my mind, I think so. I mean, if you are someone that is either thinking about conceding their lawn from scratch, so you're gonna burn down your lawn and start all over, or you're perhaps in new construction and you're putting in new grass, is Arden 15 worth consideration? In my mind, yes. If you are someone that wants to overseed, you know, perhaps to try and get some of the benefits of a hybrid cultivar, one of these newer cultivars, without like getting rid of all your grass, I think it has benefits as well too. Now, one of the things to keep in mind, as I'm showing you guys here, is that you are gonna experience some color differences. While Arden is growing in, you are gonna see some differences in color. Like if we come over here to the left part of the lawn, like this is, you see pretty much completely dormant. And as we pan over, you can see where the Arden is still coming in, or still, you know, maintaining more color, I should say, than the Tifway is. So right now, let's do a quick 10-week comparison between the two grass types. You guys asked for this. You wanted to see how the lawn did over the space of this series. So one thing we're noticing here is that in weeks 1 through 5, for the most part, there's not a ton of difference. The Arden is a little bit deeper in color as far as the color of the green goes, but you know, there's not a huge night and day difference. Now, once we get to week 6, the differences become more apparent. While the Tifway is still green, the Arden is definitely deeper, and from here on out, the differences are going to become even that much more apparent. As we progress from week 6 all the way up until today, you'll notice that the Arden is maintaining its color much better than the Tifway did throughout the entire season. So again, in my mind, if you are in the market for a hybrid Bermuda grass seed and you know you can justify the cost associated with Arden 15, totally worth your consideration. Well, guys, I hope you guys found this useful. I hope you guys enjoyed this series as much as I enjoyed filming it. I know it's kind of like geeking out on dormancy rates and grass types and stuff, but it's cool content, and I think it's gonna answer a lot of questions for people that are considering overseeding but not exactly sure what benefits they might see and what they're getting themselves into. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a comment below, let me know. And if you're also interested in picking up some Arden 15, I'll have links in the description as well as links in the comment section. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. I will see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.